Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Today we will conclude for today's in today's video from the earlier 2-3 videos. We have been discussing the formation of plurals from singulars. So in today's video we shall conclude our discussion in this video. We have the rest of the rules. Here we have some nouns have two forms for the plural, two forms for the plurals, each with a different meaning. Keep remember, sorry, not every, each plural will show a different meaning. Here we have brother, so brothers have two plurals. One is brothers and second is brethren. Brothers mean the sons of a same parent, sons of a same parent. But in case we are going to write brethren, so we must mean that members of a society or community. Society or community. We cannot use brethren in a sense of brother. Keep remember, it would be regarded as incorrect if you are writing, if you are reading, and if you are listening some these brothers plural, so it means that the sons are, yes, of course, sons of the same parent. But in case if you read or if you write brethren, it must give the sense, if it must give the meaning of members of a society or community. And we have next cloth. Cloth has also two plurals. One is generally addition of s. When we only add s to the cloth, it becomes clothes, and it means kinds and pieces of cloth. Kinds are pieces. But if we add es at the end of the noun cloth, it becomes clothes, and it gives the meaning of garment. Garment and garment are available in every shop, which are ready made. We don't need to make it. Other examples are index. Index also has two plurals. One is indexes and second is indices. Indexes means the tables of content to books. Tables of content to books. And indices means signs used in algebra. Signs which that are used in algebra. And other example, penny. We have two, pennies and pence. Pennies means number of coins, and pence means amount in value. Okay, this was number 10 rule. 11 rule is says some nouns have two meanings. Some nouns have two meanings in singular, but one in the plural. Keep remember, we have some nouns. There are some nouns which that have two meanings in singular. When we use that noun as singular, it has two meanings. But when we use that very noun in plural, so it will give only one meaning. How? Look at the example. Examples are, we have here light. In singular, it has the meaning of radiance and lamp. But when we use it as plural, lights, so it will only give the meaning of lamps. Also, people in singular, it gives the meaning of nation or men and woman. But in case if we are using it plural, peoples, so it will only mean that it is sensing nations. And the third noun is powder. Powder means first mean is dust, and the second meaning in singular, dose of medicine. Dose of medicine in fine grains. And if we use powder, here I wrote a singular, powders. So powders would mean that doses of medicine. And the last word is practice. Practice in singular, it means habit or exercise of a profession. But in case if we are using it as plural, so it means habits. This was the number 11th. Now look at the 12th usage. Some nouns have one meaning in singular. In the earlier slide, we have discussed two meaning in the singular, but now some nouns have one meaning in singular and two meanings in plural. Keep remember. Here we have custom. As custom in singular it means a habit, but it when it used as a plural customs, so it gives the meaning of habits and duties levied on imports. We have manner. If we use manner in singular, it will only mean that method. But in case if we use plural, it manners, so it would mean methods, and also it gives the meaning of correct behavior. Thirdly, we have spectacle. Spectacle in singular, it means a sight. A sight. But in case if we use it plural, so it has the meaning, two meanings. One is sights, and the second is eye glasses. Okay, these were the sum of the nouns which have included in my slides. And if you want to know more about certain nouns, please go through Wren and Martin books and know more about these types of nouns. Next rule, we have some nouns have different meanings in the singular and plural. Okay, some nouns are there. When used as a singular, it gives the meaning something else, and when it used as plural, it gives the meanings somewhat else. How? Look at the examples. If we use a singular, the air. Okay, air means atmosphere, but in the plural, if it is made airs, it means the affected manner. Likewise, good means benefit or well-being. And if we are using goods, if we say, so it means merchandise. Compass means what? Compass means extent or range. And compasses means an instrument used for drawing circles. And we have the fourth, that is force means in singular, force means strength, but if we use it plural, forces, it means troops. Okay, these were the four I have included in my this video. And if you want to get more nouns and to know more nouns, go through Wren and Martin book. Next, we have letters, figures, and other symbols are made plural by adding an apostrophe and s. Okay, we have letters, figures, and other symbols. When we want to make them what? Make them a plural. We have to add an apostrophe and s. How? Look at the example. There are 6 A's and 4 O's in this slide, and definitely if you count A's and O's in the statement number 14, in the statement, if you count A's and O's in this statement, you will see there will you find 6 A's and 4 O's. So here O's, it is not used as possessive case or genitive case, it is used as plural. And dot your J's and cross your T's in writing. What is dot J's and cross T's in writing? When we write J and at the top of J we put a dot. So here dot giving the same mean, which we may say this dot in English it is called tittle. Okay, tittle. So here I only said dot, J's, and cross T's. Cross T's means when you write like this, you cross it. How? You cross like this. So by crossing this, it is called cross. Okay, so this is. Next we have abstract nouns have no plurals, they are uncountables. But when such words do appear in plural, they are used countables. Keep remember, abstract nouns have no plurals, but in case if you see their plural forms, they become what? They become countable. How? Look at the example. We have the example of kindness. Kindness in is an abstract noun, and its plural is kindnesses. So kindnesses would will mean that acts of kindness. Another example, provocation. Provocation is a singular abstract noun, and if we make a plural, it becomes countable, and countable it means it gives the meaning of cases of provocation. Next we have a name of substances are also uncountables and are not used in plural. Are not used in plural. Name of some substances. But when such words are used in plural, they become countables with changed meaning. With what? With changed meaning. Keep remember. How? Look at the example. Copper is used as uncountable, but in case if we use coppers, so it would mean that copper coins. Another example we have teen. Teen is an uncountable noun, and if we make it plural, teens, so it would mean that cans that are made of tin. And we have wood is a name of a substance, and it is uncountable noun, but in case if we use woods, it would mean that a small forest. Small what? Small forest. Dear friends, today's video ends here. Keep watching my videos, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.